Mm. Mm. How to take apart an HP All-in-One Pavilion 20. Well, I got one here. I gotta unscrew this. Oh, it's in French, the speaker. But it got English subtitles. It looks like you don't have to take the screw out all the way, but it's loose. So you gotta pry it open, like he's doing, I think. But this is pretty pried. So maybe it's up here. Okay, I'll do that. I'm disassembling this HP Pavilion 20 all-in-one PC to see about the hard drive. I need a prying tool. I was able to pry it open with this. I found something that would work. This is something to screw or nail into wood and sort of hang something. Stuck this sharp into the plastic to separate the plastic from the metal. So this is where the hard drive goes. There's memory in there. There's the fan. Everything looks good. I'm gonna put it back together again, I guess.